So ngayon, let's sketch the graph of quadratic function number 1, which is f of x equals to x squared minus 5x plus 4. Let's find the x-axis of let's find a, which is axis of symmetry. So we have the formula, which is x equals to negative b over 2a. So we need to find first the a, b, and c. So our a here is equals to 1, our b is equals to negative 5, and our c, which is equals to 4. So if you plug the value needed, which is negative, our b is negative 5 over 2, our a is 1. So we'll be having negative times negative is positive, then 2 times 1 is 2. So this is our axis of symmetry. So if we want to convert that, this is equal to 2.5. Next, if you are going to find the vertex, so for h, the formula is negative b over 2a. So same as this one. So we can just copy, or let's say compute it again. Then this will equal to 5 over 2 or 2.5. So these are h and our k. Just plug the given, substitute the value of a, c, and b. So first you need to write it as parentheses before you plug the given value. So a is 1, c is 4, and b is negative 5. Then this is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4, times 4 is 16. So we'll be having 16 minus negative 5 squared is 25. So we are going to put negative 25 there. So equal to over 4, which is equals to 16 minus 25 will be negative 9 over 4, or this will be equal to 2.2 and 1/4, or 2.25. So this will be our case. So our vertex will be, vertex is 2.5, then negative 2.25. So if we convert this to n 1/4, this will be negative 2.25. Then for y-intercept, just let x is equals to 0. So given the equation, which is x squared minus 5x plus 4, so we'll be having x squared minus 5x plus 4. Then let the value of x equal to 0. So this will become 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 4. So this will be cancelled out. Then we will be having the y-intercept, which is positive 4. So this coordinate will give our coordinate as 0 and 4. So next, we are going to find the x-intercept by using the quadratic formula, which is x equals to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we are already have the a, b, and c. So we just need to plug it in our variables. So negative b, which is negative 5, plus minus b squared, which is negative 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 over 2, then 1. So this will be positive 5 plus minus negative 5 squared is 25 minus 16 over 2 times 1 is 2. Then we will be having 5 plus minus 25 minus 16 is 9. So this will become square root of 9 over 2, wherein square root of 9 is 3. So this will be equal to 5 plus minus 3 over 2. So we are going to have two roots, which is first is 5 plus 3 over 2, which is equals to 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. And the other root, or our root 2, which is equals to 5 minus 3 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. So we have roots 4 and 1. So if we are going to plot that, so let's make a partition. So let's plug first our vertex, which is 2.5 and negative 2.25. So it will be placed here. So this is 1, this is 2, then 3, then 2.5 will be lying here, then negative 2.25, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, so somewhere here. This is the vertex. Then let's proceed to the x-intercept, which is the 4 and 1. So 4, this is 4, this is 1. This is the x-intercept. And let's proceed to y-intercept, which is 0, 4. So 0, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the y-intercept. Then axis of symmetry, which is 2.5 or somewhere here. This is the axis of symmetry, which is tatama siya, will be passed through the vertex. So if you are going to graph that, this is the graph of our function quadratic x squared minus 5x plus 4. So this is the answer for that. So let's sketch this quadratic function. So we have f of x equals to 6x squared plus x minus 1. So we're going to find the axis of symmetry, the vertex, the y-intercept, then the x-intercept. So if we find all that, we can now graph the functions. So first, given the formula of axis of symmetry, which is negative b over 2a, first we need to find the value of a, b, and c. So given the quadratic function, our a is 6, our b is 1, our c is negative 1. So negative b, which is 1, so we have negative 1 over 2 times 6. So we will be having negative 1 over 12 as our axis of symmetry. Then for vertex, negative b over 2a, so same process, we just need to evaluate. So our negative b is still the same, then 2 times 6, which is negative 1 over 12. So this is our h. And for our k, our formula is 4ac minus b squared over 2a. So we are going to put the value of a, which is 6, value of c, which is negative 1, the value of b, which is 1, then squared it, then 4 times a, which is 6. So if we are going to simplify this, 4 times 6 is 24, times negative 1 is negative 24, minus 1 squared is 1, over 4 times 6, which is 24. So this will be negative 25 over 24. So this is our k. Then for our y-intercept, just let x is equal to 0. So from the given, 6x squared plus x minus 1. So plug 0 to our x value, our variable. So we'll be having y, which is negative 1. So this is our y-intercept, and the coordinates is 0, negative 1. Then let's proceed to the x-intercept using the quadratic formula. So we already have the a, b, and c. Just put it there. So our b is 1, then plus minus, b is 1, then squared it, minus 4. Our a is 6, our c is negative 1, then over 2 times 6, then equals negative times positive is negative, then 1 plus minus 1 squared is 1, negative times positive is negative, times negative is positive. So 4 times 6 is 24, times 1 which is 24, over 6 times 2 is 12, wherein we can simplify this as negative 1 plus minus square root of 25 over 12. Then square root of 25 is 5, so we can write it as negative 1 plus minus 5 over 12. So we will be having two roots, which is the root 1 is negative 1 plus 5 over 2, 12 I mean, then the root 2 will be negative 1 minus 5 over 12. Then if we evaluate this or simplify this will be 4 over 12, which is 1/3. This our root 1. When for our root 2 will be negative 6 over 12, which is negative 1/2. So these are our roots. Then if we're going to plot that, so let's sketch this quadratic function f of x equal to 6x squared plus x minus 1. So we already have axis of symmetry, the vertex, the y-intercept, the x-intercept. So we are just going to plot those points. So first the vertex, which is negative 0.083 and negative 1.042. So let's say this is negative 1, this is negative 1, this is 1, this is 1. So negative 0.083 is somewhere here. Then where k is negative 1.042, so this is 1, this is negative 2, so it plays somewhere here. So this will be our vertex, which the coordinates is negative 0.83 and negative 1.042. So this is the coordinate of the vertex. Then let's proceed to plot the y-intercept, which is 0, negative 1. So 0, negative 1. So this is here, the y-intercept. Then let's proceed to the x-intercepts, which are 0.3. So it is somewhere 0.3, this is 0.5, then something here. Then the other one is negative 0.5. So let's say this is 1, negative 1, this is 0.5. So next we are going to plot these points or sketch the graph. So it's something like this one. So this is the graph of the quadratic function. Then to find the axis of symmetry, it is same as the x-intercept. So I just need to intersect that. So this is the axis of symmetry, which is x is equals to negative 0.83. So number 3, let's sketch the graph of f of x equals to negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 1. So next we are going to find the axis of symmetry, the vertex, the y-intercept, and the x-intercept. So we already have the formula for each of that. So let's start with axis of symmetry, but first we are going to find the a, b, and c. So our a here is negative 2, our b is negative 5, and our c is negative 1. So with this, we can now get the axis of symmetry, which is our b is negative 5 and our a is negative 2. So we have 5 over negative 4 or negative 5 over 4 as our axis of symmetry. Then for our vertex, so this is the given. So for the vertex, same as this, so we can now copy that. and the answer is also or negative 4 over 5 ay negative 5 over 4. So this is the same as the axis of symmetry. So this is the value of RK, H I mean. So for RK, so substitute the variables, the value of each variables. So we have negative 2, RC is negative 1, minus our B is negative 5, then square it over 4 times negative 2. Then third that, evaluate, so 4 times negative, which is positive, so 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8, minus 25, because negative 5 squared is 25. So let's proceed to y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, let's let x equal to 0. So from the given, negative 2x squared minus 5x plus minus 1. So substitute 0 to each x there. So this will be cancelled, and the y-intercept is negative 1. Which means the coordinate is 0, negative 1. Then for our x-intercept, we just need to input the variables, the value of each variables. So which means we will be having negative 5 for RB plus minus square root, our B is negative 5, then square it, minus 4 times negative 2 times our C is negative 1. So this is over 2 times A is negative 2. So let's continue. Negative times negative is positive, then 5 dot, then negative 5 squared is 25 positive. Negative times negative is positive, times negative is negative, then 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is also 8, over 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So with this, we will be having 5 plus minus the square root of 25 minus 8 is 17. So square root of 17 over negative 4. Wherein our root 1 will be 5 plus square root of 17 over negative 4. Then our root 2, which is 5 minus square root of 17 over negative 4. So if we are going to compute that, so these roots can be also written as negative 5 minus square root of 17 over 4, which is approximately equal to negative 0.22. So this will be our root 1. Then for our root 2, this is also can be written as 5 plus square root of 17 over 4, which is approximately equal to negative 2.28.
Opo, totoo po yun. Di ko po alam kung ano yung sinakyan nila eh. Kapag sila nakakita. Ayun po silang lahat.
So this is our roots. So if we're going to sketch that using the Cartesian, so let's proceed on the vertex. So let's proceed on sketching this graph. So we have the axis of symmetry, which is x equals to negative 1.25, and the vertex HK is negative 1.25 and 2.125, and the y-intercept is negative 1, or the coordinate is 0, negative 1, and the x-intercept, which are negative 0.22 and negative 2.28. So let's proceed on. Let's start with vertex. So let's say this is negative 1, and this is 1, then 2, then 3. So the vertex is lies somewhere So somewhere this is 125, 2.125. So somewhere here.
Talaga yung pagkanta. Actually po, sayaw nung bata. Pero napanis po kasi.
This is the
kaya
vertex.
lumipad po ako sa pagkanta.
Then start, then proceed on y-intercept, which is 0, negative 1. So 0, negative 1, let's say here is negative 1. So this is our y-intercept. And for the x-intercept, which are negative 0.22, so 0.22 somewhere here, and negative 2.28 is somewhere here. Then let's graph this. So something like this, the graph. So the axis of symmetry is here, which is x, which is equals to negative 1.25. So this is the graph of f of x equals to negative 2x squared minus 5x minus 1.